Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do review and demo of Unschooler. This is AI-powered tool which will generate courses for you. So let's go deeper into the details. It is an alternative to Kajabi and Teachable. In the generated courses, you'll be able to embed videos, quizzes, and tasks. And relevant videos from YouTube or Vimeo can be included. You can white label your courses to use your own domain. Your students will be able to provide feedback on your courses, and you will be able to track their progress. There is some interesting feature like career map. Not sure how it works, but it looks interesting. So what else do you get in AppSumo deal? You will be able to download courses. There is auto translation into 10 languages. You can have PDFs and custom videos as source for your courses content. There is built-in subtitle generator and progress tracker, and you will be able to embed your courses to your own platform or website. Alright, so regarding license tiers, tier number 1 will give you 20 courses and they will take 7% for commission in case you would like to sell your courses. So there is a feature with Unschooler included to enable selling your courses that you create with this tool. And starting with license tier 2, you have 50 courses and less payment commission, and you get white label option. And with license tier 3, you get only 3% payment commissions, and additionally API access included. Alright, so here it is, the main dashboard of Unschooler, and I like the simplicity because, as I understand, right in this window, you just define what is the goal of your course. Like here is the example, build on robot with Python using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Open API GPT-4. And regarding sources, we can choose YouTube videos, your own channel, or Vimeo video folder. Alright, so let me explain what kind of course I would like to create as a test. Just recently, I came across the tool called Overleaf. It is online text editor where you can build your text pages using LaTeX format. And just quickly, what LaTeX is, it is a text format, text specification with which you can build well-structured text. It is especially popular in academic circles with book publishing. For example, here you define your formulas, and this is how it will look like. So just of my curiosity, I would like to learn more about this markup structure so I can build something like this. Let's see a few other examples. This could be some slide from university presentation. This format works well with right-to-left languages like Japanese, for example. You can even build some resumes. Not sure if it is the most efficient way, but anyway, you can do that. You can create text in academic style, like this one, or this one, with nicely structured formulas. Here's the example of bibliography template. You can also find all kinds of different templates, like for your book, and even you can build something like this, dodecahedron calendar. So yeah, out of my curiosity, I would like to learn a bit more about LaTeX text format and how to build papers with that. So yeah, I will ask Unschooler application to build a course. Alright, here it is my goal for this course. Learn LaTeX markup and software system for typesetting documents, including LaTeX history, LaTeX tools, with which I will be able to create documents, and I'm asking to include few practical tasks to build academic style paper and annotated bibliography page using LaTeX markup. Alright, so let's create our course plan. Alright, so here it is our outline, including history, exploring various software for working with LaTeX. Then we are going to process of formatting and arranging text and images, which is nice. And we will have academic style paper and bibliography page. That's also nice. Let's create the course. we are getting a disclaimer that our data is not used to train the AI, which is always nice. We can see the generation is in progress. Okay, I've just clicked on the second section of our course and we can see it is being generated in real time. Alright, we can see also video was included here. Let's actually go back to the first section. I can see we're getting the selection of videos here. And we can select a particular one, but let's try and generate their own. Alright, so I've just clicked through this video and it is awesome. It gives great introduction with on-point imagery. That is nice. Okay, so let's move to the first page of our course. We cannot edit here, but we can ask AI to add something. So let's go to the remaining parts of the course. We can see some practice was generated. Okay, that's nice. Let's proceed. And I will click through the rest to generate the remainders of the course. Alright, now we have all our sections generated. What can we do here? We can click here on edit icon and rearrange subsections. We can go to a particular section and modify lesson prompt and regenerate that. We can edit any type of content. Regarding display, we have several settings. We can have it auto-generated or based from your text and videos. And this setting will allow the course to be paid content. On the last section, practice, in the lesson source, I've modified the lesson prompt to make it a practical lesson to build reference page. Let's also generate a test here. Okay, we have our quizzes here. All right, so now let's continue. Regarding auto-generated videos, we can modify the background and style, let it be animated, and continue next. And let's go through all our chapters. All right, so here it is, our course ready. So what can we do with that? So we can edit and sell. So let's publish, save and exit. All right, here is the course. Let's join that and let's start learning. So here it is, the full course starting from the history of this text format. We then go to more history, origins, some YouTube videos, which is relevant, history of latex development. Then we get key features and more introduction content. Then, as requested, we are exploring different software to work with latex format. And we are given options for Windows, for Mac users, and some online editors like Overleaf, which I will show you in a moment. So we are given options for particular formats, getting more content. And then we are moving to the main section, learning how to format text and images. Here I can see some content is being repeated, but I didn't want to spend a lot of time on editing that. So basically we have that content already about installing software. So now moving to actual text formatting, we are getting nicely structured code blocks. And again, suggested relevant video, suggested some practice. And then here it is, the practice section. We are getting some examples, how to do setup, how to format different sections. And using these practice materials, I went to online editor Overleaf, put some content there, and just started exploring my file. Here is my so-called Hello World application, my first step in using this text format. Yep, let's go to the questionnaire. So I didn't read through that, so let's guess. And yeah, I didn't guess correctly. Okay, here is another example, and you get the idea. Alright, so that's how you can create your courses. Of course, you need to be spending more time in generating your more refined prompt to get better results for your courses. You will need to spend some time on editing auto-generated content. However, in general, I was more than satisfied with the first draft. What else can we do with Unschooler? We can generate AI lesson. Basically, I think it will be the same, but it will be just shorter. You can provide video link, text, upload a video, get your content from URL or PDF. There is a chat, and you can generate a test, which is also nice. So regarding tech skills, there are some predefined trees. For example, if you would like to learn JSON, you can click here and ask to build a course for yourself. There is also career section. But this one, I'm not sure how it works. I see. First, you need to unlock some skills, and then I believe you will be given some career options. And there are some predefined categories. We can see there are some tests. Let's say we would like to learn how to design using Figma software. So again, you need to create your courses here and tests. Yep, so you can do it for yourself or for your students or colleagues. All right, so let's move to the conclusion. Unschooler is a solid course generation software. The materials are nicely structured. Of course, you need to be very specific with your prompt, what you are expecting to get. And then each chapter generation takes some time. So you get in your course chapter by chapter, and then you need to spend some time editing that. And of course, you can regenerate any content that you like. There is a nice option to make your courses payable. By default, your courses are free, but you can also sell courses created with Unschooler, and there is payment gateway integration, and dependent on license tier, Unschooler will take a percentage of your sales. So overall, Unschooler seems like a great software to speed up creation of your courses. And to get this software, please check the links in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.